Everyone has someone they look up to for guidance, or simply someone who inspires them to strive to improve themselves. Throughout my life, I have met many influential people and people who overall have inspired me to do greater things. I can consider most of them role models. However, when asked the question of who is the most influential person in my life, there is no hesitation that it is my older brother, Edwin Garcia. Edwin is not only my 26-year-old brother, but my best friend who has been there for me for as long as I can remember. He has been an extraordinary influence in my life and has shaped me in a variety of ways. He possesses so many great qualities that I hope to obtain in the near future. First and foremost, I admire him greatly because he is very determined and ambitious. He overcomes any obstacle that is thrown in his way and consistently stays positive. He immigrated from Mexico to the United States when he was just a teenager, so when he started his life here, he had to overcome not only the language barrier, but all the other challenges immigrants face in the U.S. Despite these challenges, he still managed to get a bachelor's degree in nuclear medicine and become a successful individual. Now he lives in his own home and with his wife and 2 poodles. He motivates me to never give up because success doesn't always come easy. Since he is 7 years older than me, he has more knowledge and a better insight about life. Therefore, any chance he gets, he is giving me a mini inspirational pep talk about life, school, work, etc. There is not one conversation we have had where I leave without feeling better about myself. He also advises me on what to do and what not to do in certain scenarios. For instance, whether to take summer classes or not. My social skills aren't the best, so my big brother helps me overcome my weakness to be more of a social butterfly and be more interactive with the people around me. He's always encouraging me to do things out of my comfort zone, such as speaking up when I get the wrong order at a restaurant. What really has had a strong impact in my life is that he is also my best friend. While he is steering me down the right path, there's pure laughter and a positive aura, although he's still getting his point across. For example, on a summer night of 2015, I snuck out of the house, and all I remember is that when I came back, he was sitting on the corner of my bed with a pros and cons list in his hand. That night, we stayed up reviewing it while cracking jokes. He encouraged me not to break the rules and pushed me to be a better version of myself. Him being my best friend means that I take the advice he provides me more into consideration because I know he wants what is best for me, and nothing less. In conclusion, Edwin is an all-around optimistic and motivated individual. The respect I have for him is indescribable. For him, failure isn't an option, and no matter what, he always finds a solution to any obstacle that is presented to him. Seeing what it took him to become successful inspires me not to let anything get in the way of what I want to pursue in life. I aim to be on the same path that he walks. He's a cheerful person and always brings light to any situation he's given, because he claims life is too short to be serious all the time.